What is data science? Data science is a mix of different fields. It's a mix of math and statistics with computer science, and also, as you can see, domain expertise. Let's cover these in a little bit detail. As you can see in this Venn diagram here that I took from Drew Conway's blog from 2010, in this very popular Venn diagram, you can see on the left we have, in the red or pink, hacking skills. Then we have the math and statistics knowledge and the substantive expertise, which is also the domain expertise. So when you combine all these things, you get a field called data science. So the hacking skills, what are those? So programming skills or computer science skills, algorithmic problem solving skills, that's what a hacking skill is. Okay. Math and statistics knowledge. So if you're coming from a math background or statistics background, you're going to be using that skill set to analyze data. You can use that skill to do some modeling on the data set and come up with some findings or things like that. So you can be combining these two skills, and when you combine these two skills, you get what we call as machine learning. You combine skills from the computer side, computer science, and you combine it with math and statistics knowledge, and you get machine learning. Now let's look at this third circle here, which is the domain expertise. This blue one here, also called a substantive expertise. So what this one is, whenever you're working in a specific field, for example, you're working in a banking sector or banking field, you're going to be using the knowledge that you have of banking, how the banking system works, how the banking ecosystem operates, stuff like that. So you're going to be using all that knowledge you have of that specific sector or specific area, and you're going to be combining that experience or knowledge to help gain more insight in the data. So as you can see, when you combine computer science and statistics knowledge, you get something called machine learning. When you combine statistics knowledge with the domain expertise, you get traditional research like the PhDs and things like that, right? When you're working on some research project, then you're combining these skills, right? You're combining the statistics knowledge, you're combining the domain expertise, and that's when you get traditional research. When you combine all of these three skills, the computer science skills, the math and statistics knowledge, and the domain expertise, that's what we call as data science. And I'm going to show you in this other diagram here, which is more simplified view of what you're looking at, which is this guy here. As you can see, we are combining the computer programming with mathematics and algorithms or statistics and domain knowledge of that area you're working on. It can be banking, it can be any other financial sector, it can be a political campaign, it can be an online ad campaign, it can be any sector you're working on that you want to apply data science skills to. So you bring on that background knowledge and you combine it with computer programming, computer science, and also mathematics and statistics here, and that's when you get this guy here, which is a data science professional. Again, in data science we have different job titles as well. We have job titles like data scientist, we have job title with data engineers, or also called data developers. We also have people that work on business intelligence. We have data analysts. So these are kind of interchangeable job titles at times, but at times they're also pretty different. And we will cover these things in more detail in the coming tutorials or lectures. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as data science is concerned.